This is the end result of our lemon pie. I just cut it and let you see how it looks, and it is fabulous, y'all. It's always fabulous because I try to make it good for y'all. And look at it. Oh my goodness. It is tart. It's got the wonderful meringue, and it looks and smells and tastes so marvelous. Okay, our pie is brown on the broiler. It depends on how you want it. If you want it just semi, I just did it semi. And sometimes you can get too brown on the little waves. The little waves right there, it's got too brown. But other than that, the pie is perfect. This is Sandra. I want to tell you have it easy, and thank you for coming to my channel. And we're going to cut the pie when it cool real good. Okay?